While a large portion of the digital forms of money zeroed in on blockchain and DeFi, they concentrated on information capacity, taking care of, and exchange. There are not really any players in the cryptographic money market who turned their regard for advanced publicizing or video organizing that is picking up speed and the issues related therewith. Allow us to investigate the ongoing subtleties of Theta organization and comprehend the Theta cost expectation for what's in store. However, numerous monetary forms have attacked the much sought-after cryptographic money market. The most discussed and high-positioned is Theta. Prime supporter Steve Chen and his devoted group of advisors, researchers, and calculation and blockchain specialists who rejuvenated this Theta crypto upheld him. Theta is a truly token that drives Theta's really decentralized video conveyance organization, controlled by clients and a creative new blockchain. Theta is an open-source convention reason work to control the decentralized streaming organization and takes into consideration vertical decentralized applications to especially be based on top of the stage to empower esports, music, television, films, instruction, venture conferencing, shared streaming, and that's just the beginning. To lay it out plainly in the expressions of the prime supporter of YouTube, Mr. Steve Chen, I'm energetic and delighted to especially be a significant job player in the arising scene of video web-based most certainly. Since innovation has begun being the prevailing element in the decentralized distributed network, Theta will tackle its vast majority. With the remarkable development in the advanced publicizing area, it is massively significant that there basically is a balance achieved among promoters, distributors, and end clients, with the majority turning out to be increasingly more knowledgeable with person-to-person communication and video instruments related with it. There is an expanding interest for promotion-hindering programming that sudden spikes in demand for in excess of 600 million cell phones and PCs. With truckload of cash and time truly spent on watchers' very own information, it has turned into a mammoth errand to synchronize the exceptionally whole system's administration usefulness and prune the pointless in a huge manner. The accompanying variables still need to be broke down on a worldview premise. Publicists pay tokens to distributors to carry their promotions to clients. Clients procure Theta for survey promotions in a significant manner. Consideration in a real sense is observed in the daring program utilizing MLAI innovation. Publicists get great returns because of expanded degrees of precision. The value journey of Theta in a real sense has been fashioned with critical cost changes. In 2018, it had recently really begun its excursion with a cost of around 20 cents, and from that point forward, there has been no thinking back till 2020. Theta coin cost really somersaulted somewhat recently, changing the pattern from the start to the furthest limit of the year. Theta has had a memorable excursion till mid-2021, which is genuinely critical. In the wake of hitting an unequaled high of $15.90 in April, Theta organization crypto confronted a precarious fall and it kept on exchanging under enormous negative strain until April 2022. Afterward, from the last May, Theta token cost has enlisted consolidative cost development till date. Notwithstanding, starting from the start of 2023, it especially has stamped moderate recuperation and figured out how to exchange above 85 cents. The ongoing cost of Theta token is around $1.01. For the most part said and done, Theta's pattern has been very forceful, prompting an extremely encouraging way, in spite of mainstream thinking. The coin might fill quickly, particularly for coalitions. Theta value forecast 2023 because of the worldwide market vulnerability. The cost of digital forms of money is probably going to influence pretty much. At the same time, throughout recent days, crypto market has checked huge recuperation, alongside driving cryptos. Theta coin truly has additionally reflected forward movement. Toward the finish of 2023, Theta token cost could record a greatest value level of $2.20, while genuinely least cost may be around 85 cents. Theta crypto value expectation 2024. In view of our Theta coin cost expectation for 2024, it is anticipated that the Theta cost can raise a ruckus around town and hold the market toward the finish of 2024. The least Theta organization cost will be around $2.16. And the typical Theta organization cost will be trotting around $2.25. Theta value expectation 2025 to 2025 could check the benchmark year at the cost of the Theta coin. It is anticipated to outperform a typical cost of $4 by for the most part implies in an unpretentious manner. According to our Theta coin cost forecast 2025, the crypto may record a most exorbitant cost degree of $4.50 while the base value level may be around $3.80. Theta token value forecast 2026. There is plausible that Theta organization will rise dramatically in 2026. Theta coin cost is supposed to cross a truly normal cost of $4.20. The most extreme and truly least value level may be around $4.90 and $4 separately, according to the Theta cost expectation 2026, which is very critical. Theta forecast 2027 financial backers can expect a circle back toward the finish of 2027, as the reception of Theta will develop dramatically. The greatest value level of Theta network may effortlessly raise a ruckus around town mark toward the finish of 2027. On the disadvantage, it might tumble to the most reduced cost level around $4.80. Theta value expectation 2028 keeping up pair with a similar bullish pattern. There are forecasts that Theta explicitly is ready for a rise in 2028. The Theta coin could contact the scarcely the most exorbitant cost degree of $7.95 with a typical cost of $7.10. The base cost could fundamentally be around $6.50 during the year amazingly. Theta organization value expectation 2029 of every 2029. The Theta cost might raise a ruckus around town mark according to our Theta cost conjecture. Financial backers might procure exceptionally extraordinary benefits assuming that they contribute brilliantly. In every way that really matters. Greatest and least value levels may be around $10.20 and $8.60. Theta value forecast 2030. Theta organization cost is anticipated to stretch around its past all-time pretty high of $15 by 2030, with a typical exchanging cost of $13.90. Theta organization's base worth could come to $13.40. In light of our Theta coin cost forecast 2030, we anticipate that the greatest cost should be around $15.30. In light of our gauges, a fundamentally long-haul rectification basically is normal. The cost expectation for 2023 is 13 cents. Your ongoing venture might be degraded. In this manner, Theta can be a terrible, high-risk speculation choice. According to the Conjecture Information Investigation, the cost of Theta is supposed to cross the degree of $1.29. Before the year's over, Theta organization is supposed to arrive at any rate expense of 89 cents in an extremely significant manner. What's more, the Theta cost is equipped for getting a most extreme degree of $2.09. As per our profound specialized examination on past value information of Theta, in 2023 the cost of Theta organization is gauged to especially be at around a base worth of $1.14. The Theta organization value worth can arrive at a limit of $1.34 with the typical exchanging worth of $1.18. Is Theta a kind of wise speculation? An expected level of investment sort of is consistently prudent, being a critical component here. There shouldn't explicitly be any heartbreaks nor any misrepresented assumptions required in the event that you trade mindfully, facing a calculative challenge. What amount will Theta be worth in 2025? As indicated by the Theta coin cost forecast 2025, the normal cost of Theta organization could cross the $4 mark. It could especially raise a ruckus around town level of $4.50 toward the finish of 2025. Where might I at any point purchase Theta? At the present time, you can purchase Theta at major crypto trades, including Binance. When you have your exchanging account set up at one of the trades that exchange Theta, you should move